let's understand the objective of human rights. Guys, we are going to understand why do we have human rights. Basic मुद्दा क्या है यार human rights लाने के लिए? To provide provision of independent to the people who are against discrimination. That means it gives independent to every people so that there is no kind of discrimination. The second one, to ensure freedom from poverty. Poverty से हम लोग को freedom मिलता है यार human rights के वजह से. To provide freedom of using dormant abilities of individuals. So one person can use his own full potentiality. Dormant abilities बोले तो sleeping abilities. इसका मतलब सोने की ability नहीं, जो ability उसके अंदर है but he is not utilizing it, उसको totally utilize करने का मौका मिलता है जहाँ पे human rights होते हैं. Okay, to provide freedom from fear. That means there should be freedom from fear. किसी चीज़ से डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. To provide freedom from protection. That means there should be freedom of protection also. There should be no freedom from protection. There should be freedom of protection. That we should be protected also. To provide freedom from injustice. We should have freedom from injustice. कोई injustice काम नहीं होना चाहिए. Everything should be judicial and everywhere should be justice should be served. Injustice कहीं पे भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Then to ensure freedom of speech and expression. There should be a insurance of freedom of speech. We can talk whatever we want and we can express whatever we want to express. To provide freedom of association. We can associate with people and get in relation to the people with whom we want to get associated. Such kind of freedom should be there. To provide freedom of carrying one's activities on dignified lines. So one person can carry on his own activity with inside the dignified lines. कोर्ट के दायरे के अंदर वो कोई भी काम अच्छा काम कर सकता है. To provide freedom against exploitation. We should have freedom and we should not be exploited. उससे हम लोगों को बचाना ये भी एक ऑब्जेक्टिव है ह्यूमन राइट्स का. So guys, these were the 10 objectives of human rights. Thank you.